Residents of Obairi, a community in Obafemi Owode local government area of Ogun State, have appealed to both the federal and state governments not to abandon them to what they described as untold hardship, danger and devastation caused by the poor construction of a road linking Mosun village to Obairi. Speaking with 7 Point Media, some residents lamented that persistent flooding has driven them out of their homes due to the substandard drainage and coverts constructed with fake and inferior materials by the contractor handling the project.
Whenever it rains, flood takes over this whole area. We can't go out, and we are always scared that the water might sweep our houses away. This entire place becomes full of water, and we just stay indoors in sadness. What causes the flood is the bad and tiny drainage and culverts that the contractor constructed. They are too small. Water can't pass through them, so it ends up flowing into people's houses. The drainage needs to be enlarged. The project was done about 10 months ago, but since then, flood hasn't allowed us to rest in Agoru. The drainage is completely blocked, and water has no smooth passage. Many houses have collapsed in Oba. The blind woman I live with lost all the goods she was selling to the flood. That's what she was managing with. Please, help us tell the government to come to our aid. The drainage construction is very poor. The road that was once tarred has now been destroyed by water, and even our king cannot access his palace again. It's really bad. The government needs to help us.
They explained that the shoddy job has led to the collapse of several houses, while many others remain inaccessible by road as a result of severe flooding. According to the residents, nearly all the bridges built by the contractor have already collapsed, worsening their ordeal. A community leader, Mrs. Shodeke Oluwatoyin, who spoke to 7 Point Media in frustration, questioned why the road, originally constructed by former Ogun State Governor Chief Olusegun Oshoba, was re-awarded to what she called an incompetent engineer without proper supervision from relevant government authorities to ensure quality work.
Each time it rains, commercial motorcycle riders fall on the slippery road. We also heard that the road contract was awarded to more than 3 contractors. One started from Kobakpe to Mosun, another continued from Mosun to our area, and the engineer currently working here has not even finished Oba. He told us that's where his own work will stop, meaning another contractor will take over from there. That's why the work is so bad. There's no proper supervision or government monitoring, and no one is held accountable. The villages are suffering. We thank the government for remembering us and trying to construct our road, but they should please come and inspect what these contractors have done.
During the reconstruction, the contractor destroyed the public water pipelines that supply the entire community, leaving residents without access to clean water.
All our water pipelines were damaged during the construction. We've been without water for 6 months now. Those who sell water are rarely available, and we are forced to fetch water from Oya or Olobi rivers. Both are dirty and can cause diseases. When we complained to the contractor, he said it's not his concern, that his job is only to build the road, and when the government is ready, they will come and fix new pipes. Governor Oshoba was the one who gave us water during his time as governor, and now we are begging Governor Dapo Abiodun to please come to our rescue.
As a result, many now trek long distances to fetch water, while others who can afford it pay about 2,000 naira to buy from water vendors. While appreciating the government for bringing development to their community, the residents urge authorities at both the state and federal levels to intervene urgently by compelling the construction company to properly reconstruct the affected section of the road from Osun to Obairi. They warn that many buildings in the area are already at risk of collapse due to the ongoing flooding. The residents further accuse the contractor of using 8 mm iron rod to construct bridges after demolishing the original solid concrete and iron fence structures built over 2 decades ago by Chief Oshoba's administration, bridges which they said collapsed barely 2 weeks after reconstruction. They therefore appeal to all well-meaning Nigerians to come to the aid of Obairi community, stressing that the town faces the threat of extinction if urgent action is not taken to hold the contractor accountable and prevent further flooding disasters. I am Adeobanike Eniola, reporting for 7 Point Media.